created an AI that makes its own trading bots. I don't need to touch a single line of code. It does it all for me. It's called Auto GPT. You tell it what the goal is, and it will basically ask itself its own questions and answer it back. And it does this in a loop until it's finished with the goal. So my AI's name is called Trade Dev GPT. The goals I written down for it is to understand how to use the latest version of PineScript used in TradingView, then search the internet for problems crypto traders are having that are keeping them from making profit while trading in TradingView. Once you understand these problems, develop a solution in PineScript code that can be used in TradingView that helps make massive profit for traders. Then test the PineScript code to make sure that it is usable in TradingView with no errors. Once the PineScript code has been tested and is working, send me the working PineScript code. Once you've told it its goals, then it begins. It gives you its thoughts about the goal. It says, to start, let's take a look at current market trends and see what crypto traders are talking about. A Google search could help understand this information. It Googles it itself, and it even gives you a whole plan on what it's going to do. And then here you can see what it's doing. You can see that it's looking up websites, analyzing the information. And after it did that, it says, after reviewing the results of the Google search, I found multiple articles discussing a charting bug in TradingView that has impacted traders for years. And it just does this over and over and over again. I think it did this about 20 times until it came up with some PineScript code. So here's the code that it gave me. It's not exactly formatted right. I tell it to format this PineScript code correctly and tell me what it does. Paste it in. It gives me the formatted code here and tells me that this PineScript code is used for calculating and plotting Fibonacci retracement levels on a chart. And with a few adjustments on ChatGPT, we have our finished PineScript code. So we'll copy this, go into TradingView, paste it in, add it to the chart, and the trading strategy is working. I tried doing this with just ChatGPT, and it was just way too much. I had to go back and forth and teach it how to use PineScript correctly. But using Auto GPT along with ChatGPT, and I was only using the ChatGPT 3.5, if I were to use ChatGPT 4 API, it would have made it even smarter. And if anybody has a ChatGPT 4 API key that I can use, DM me. So just using Auto GPT just shortens the process of creating these bots by a lot. This strategy wasn't exactly profitable, but I've done this before and it did come up with a profitable strategy. If you want to know more about how you can create your own trading bots, hit the follow button. Follow me on Twitter at NickIsMeta.